Welcome back guys, Sylvain here, and for the past week I've actually been trying to finish my computer build and I'm finally done. So I moved my desk to a different part of the room to make it a little cleaner, and I think it looks a lot better, but I still have a lot of cleaning to do because yeah, like this part is probably not the cleanest, but I'm gonna try to get rid of this because it's falling apart. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you the inside of the computer. So it opens from right here. It's magnetic. So the airflow is actually very strong. You can actually feel it. As soon as you open this door, the air just rushes out. And let me just go through everything really quickly. At the top we have the water cooler, and the water block for the CPU is right here where it says TT. And the RAM is right here. There's 4 of them. There's 32 gigabytes in total of RAM, and then underneath the RAM we have 2 1080 Ti graphics cards. So I do have them in SLI. As you can see, we have an SLI thing right there. I might be getting a better SLI cable thing, but actually it's not a cable, it's an SLI bridge, but that's what we have. On the back we have a fan. I don't remember what size of fan it is, but it's a big fan. And then up front, I don't know if you can see it at all, there's too many cables in the way, but there's 2 fans up front. So yeah, so the PSU is down here. I closed this off. I also closed this off because well, there was a lot of cables in the way. I need to do some cable management, but let me go ahead and close this. This is how it looks like with the lid off, with the lid on. And now let's go look at the desk. It's a lot cleaner than it used to be. So I did get this new DX Racer chair because my old one was hurting my back, and this is actually a lot more comfortable. It was actually worth the price, so yeah. Let's see. So this is the desk that I have now. So I do have a multi-monitor thing, and I'm actually downloading Premiere Pro on here because I had to reinstall everything. So you can actually move between windows, which is a lot better than just having one. So I can be doing something in this one and then something else on this one. So it will be very useful for work and stuff. So yeah, so I have my microphone over here. I'm not sure if it's gonna work or if I'm gonna have to move it somewhere else. It actually does have a thing to hook it up. So I might be able to find like an adapter right here. Might be able to find like an adapter, and then I'll be able to put it like on this stand and put it like next to the computer or something so that it's closer to me. The camera is right there. So we have the whole setup going on. So yeah, I do need to reinstall all of the programs that I use, but I will be making a video as soon as possible, guys. So enjoy your day, and remember to like this video, subscribe. I'll catch you later.